Hi, I'm Dr. WKWSCI, and welcome to WKWSCI School of Communication and Information. Will you be choosing to be the broadcaster, the researcher, the journalist, or the strategist? Haven't decided yet. Charismatic and imaginative, these guys will always be exploring new tools to tell a story. Want to join them?
Hey, where are you going?
Or, if you're constantly amused by world affairs and are always on the hunt for the next groundbreaking story, they might just be your back. Sensible and reliable, these individuals are a pro when it comes to the game of logic. From practical experiments to data-driven solutions. You name it, we've got it! Love spotting and setting new trends? These creative and strategic thinkers will always have an idea up their sleeves.
You want to try it out? Maybe the glasses?
No, lose the coat. The white washes you out.
I love it. The opportunities here at WKWSCI are endless, and it's all waiting for you. So, are you with us?